In this video I'm going to show you how to disable auto lock on your iPhone. That's quite simple and easy, so let's begin. First open up your settings, then scroll down a bit and here select display and brightness. And here we see auto lock option, but in some cases this option might be gray and you are not able to edit that. If it's your case, turn back for a step, go to battery and here disable low power mode like I do, and then go back to display and brightness, and now you can edit this setting as you want. I got 5 minutes auto lock. I can turn it to 30 seconds, or if I need to disable it, I will tap here on never, and now my display wouldn't be able to auto lock. I hope it helps you, so before you go, please like and subscribe.